Alright guys, so we're here in the Google AdWords dashboard and we will be creating our conversion tag. So basically what we want to do, we actually want to go into the old version of AdWords. Once that loads up, we want to go into Tools and click Conversions. Now under here, we want to click this red button that says Add Conversion. And Google prompts us with 4 options that we can track: website, app, phone calls, and import. We're going to be selecting website because we're tracking purchases. For the name, we're going to put purchase. Done. That is the type of conversion that we're tracking. For value, you can assign a value based on the product, based on the different conversion types. We will not be assigning a value just for simplicity's sake. Click done. For count, this basically works as if someone clicks on your ad and every is selected as it is right now, then them making 3 purchases will count as 3 different conversions. However, if they make a purchase and land on your conversion page, which is your thank you page, that will count as a conversion. Every time they refresh that page, it will count as a separate conversion. So for that reason, we are going to be selecting 1. That means that for every ad click, the max conversions that can happen is 1. I'm going to click done there. Conversion window is very interesting because it allows a certain amount of time from when your ad was clicked to when the conversion was made. That is the window that is given in order to count your conversion. So let's set up an example here. So if someone clicks on your ad day 1 and on day 8 they buy from you, if it is within that window, then it counts as a conversion. Now let's think about this. If you put an ad, send an ad to someone and they click on your site, they view your product, and they don't purchase anything, but then you retarget them on Facebook and they end up buying, if it's within that window, then it will still be credited to Google, and Facebook will also be credited as well as you may think. But we want to make sure that this timeline is, we keep that in mind when selecting this time frame. So usually what we like to go with here is 1 week because it's a pretty short amount of time, and I mean, it's something that we've just been using and we've seen good results with it. So we will select 1 week. For view through conversion window, we won't really be messing with this much because this is for display network ads. I'm going to click done there. In category, we will select the category for this conversion, which is purchase/sale. And we will leave this the same and this the same as well. Basically, attribution modeling is how do you want to give credit to your conversion. So pretty much right now we're using the last click model, meaning that if someone clicks on 2 different ads of mine and ends up buying on the second ad, the last clicked ad is the one that receives that conversion, which is fine by me. So we will select save and continue. And pretty much we're here. As you can see, we have created the conversion tag, and now we will be installing it. And actually we'll be installing this conversion tag in the next video, so stick around and we will get that done very soon. So see you on the next one.